Okay, side muna. Dito muna kayo sa side. Okay, move lang ng konti, baby. Alright. And of course, for Rosa. And this is the celebration of 7th birthday of Maggie. How about the start? This celebration gets me the biggest round of applause. Parinig naman muna ng isang malakas na palakpakan. Alright. And today we are here to celebrate a very special day of our birthday boy. A boy who dreams to become a successful one in the future. Now, ladies and gentlemen, our birthday celebrant, Monty! Together with our beautiful mommy and handsome daddy. Okay, bigyan muna natin sila ng isang malakas na palakpakan, everyone. And before we start, I would like to take this opportunity to personally say thank you, Ma'am Keza and Sir Ariel, for choosing it. I would like to introduce to you my team. We are the event team of Kids Zona Santa Rosa. My name is Kuya MC and I will be your host for today together with my two partner. Say hi to Ate Julia and Ate Angela. And before and kids, everybody stand up. Stand up. And before we start, I would like to call Ma'am Aya for our opening prayer. Ma'am Aya.
Dear God, thank you for this beautiful day and for Maddie as it turns 7 today. Please bless him with health, safety, and happiness. We ask that you bless this celebration.
Hey! Okay, alam ko po na yung ibang parents po dito is ilang beses na po tayo nagkikita. And alam ko po na familiar na kayo sa mga games namin dito sa Kidzuna. But this time, this game is the same. Pero iba na po ang ating items na hindi. So kids, are you familiar with the game Bring Me? Okay, now all you have to do is bring the item that I will ask for and sit down on this 5 chair. Okay, magsisit down po kayo pag your kids dahil nasa inyo lamang po ang mga hihingiin kong item para manalo ang inyong mga kids. Now kids, for my first item. Okay, bring me. Okay, sa mga mommies po dito, sino lagi ang mahilig mag-grocery? Mag-grocery. Okay, now, bring me any kind of grocery store discount card. Discount card ng any grocery po na pinupuntahan nyo. Discount card na pwedeng... Okay, wait. I said 5 winners. Okay. Okay, sit down muna. Sit down. Sit down. And last one, Mati. Okay. Okay, now every kids, everybody stand up. And pakibalik mo na lahat ng card kay Mommy. Okay, pakibalik mo na yung mga lahat. Color white. Kailangan 2 pairs. Okay, asan yung pair yan? Okay, kahit kahit may design, basta color white. Color white. Okay, Ate Angela, pakibigyan na ulit ng prizes ang ating mga kids. Okay, bring me a driver license. Driver license. Baby. Driver license. Huh? Your mommy is not know how to drive. Okay, it's okay. Driver's license. Can I check? Kailangan hindi po expired. Hindi po dapat expired. Okay, driver's license ni Daddy. Okay, first round. May 1 point na ang Team Mati. Okay, good job, kids. Okay, for our mommies, wala mo nang ihila. Okay, bibigyan namin kayo ng time. Don't worry. Next kayo dito. Be ready for our mommies and daddies. Next po kayo sa ating game. Okay, may mga head coach tayo dito. May mga head coach tayo. Ang ating mommies and daddies. Now, okay, sa team ni Mati. Okay, forward. Sa team ni Mati, forward. Hands up muna, hands up. Okay, sa team ni Mati, you will be the team A. And sa team nila Isaac, you will be the team B. Alright? Now, may 1 point na ang team nila Mati. Babawi ba ang team Isaac? Yes. Okay, now, are you ready? Okay, hands up muna guys. Hands up. Wala pa, wala pa. Hands up. Alright, shake your hands. Shake, 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 shake. Our second round starts in 3, 2, 1, boom! 50, 40, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Alright, good job kids! Sa ating second round, congratulations Team Isaac! Very good. Now, last round. Okay, our final round. Everybody hands up guys, hands up. Okay, wala pong tutulong na guardian, wala mo na pong tutulong na mommy, walang tutulong na daddy. Okay, mga kids lang po muna ang hihila. 50, 40, 30, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1! Okay, sa ating last. Okay, hi Lala Chan. Okay, dito ka muna sa gitna. Wow, patiently waiting ang ating mga kids. And now, Lala Chan. Okay, Lala Chan, dito ka muna sa gitna, Lala Chan. Okay, kids, excuse me. Dadaan na po si Lala Chan. Alright, hi Lala Chan. Okay, dito ka muna sa gitna. And I would like to introduce to you our birthday boy, na si Mati. Hi Mati! Lala Chan is here. You can hug her if you want. Okay, now for our kids, kakantahan muna natin si Mati ng happy birthday. Gusto namin lahat tayo kakanta. Okay lang ba yung kids? Okay, one more time. From the top. Okay, one more time. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. And now, Mati. Okay, close your eyes first and make a wish, baby. Make a wish first muna. Okay, everybody clap your hands, kids, and applause our parents and guardians. And now, Lala Chan, it's time para ibigay mo na kay Mati ang iyong gift para sa kanya. And now, pakipatay mo na muna ang ating music. And Lala Chan, move ka lang dito sa side. Siyempre, bago ang lahat, birthday message ni Daddy Ariel, bago si Mama.
Hi, Mati. Happy birthday. Wish ko sa'yo maging mabait na bata. Tapos good health. Enjoy your special day. I love you.
Yes, Kuya Mati, ang wish ko syempre lagi kong pinipray na maging healthy ka lagi. And be smart. Even sa school, but still smart. And more patient kay Amina, okay? Kasi si Marco pa, paglaki ni Marco, may isa pang kukulit sa'yo. So, yun lang, be happy always. We love you. Okay. I would like to thank everyone po for coming. And sana nag-enjoy po kayo. And kainan na po. Yun lang po. Thank you.
Alright, thank you so much. And now kids, batiin mo na ulit natin si Mati ng happy birthday. And of course, kasama na po ang ating mga parents and guardians. Ready in 3, 2, 1! Okay, one more time, make it louder. Ready in 3, 2, 1! Okay, now, picture taking mo na po kasama po ang mommy and daddy and of course si Mati po. Okay, good job. Okay, and now, lahat ng kids, tayo. Stand up muna kids. 2, 1, smile! Okay, say happy birthday, Mati! Okay, Waki pose, Waki! Okay, thank you so much po. Again. Okay, thank you.